I met this pretty girl, she was from DC. I like the way that she smiled. Said there's a party tonight, you wanna come with me? She said, baby, I'll try. I waited all alone, others were walking for her to bring the light. Then she came in the room, she